I'm Ben of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
My reason for being bullish is that Bitcoin kind of reignites the American dream in cyberspace and exports it to the world. You know, I kind of realize now that I had this subconscious resignation to live just like an ordinary life, just grind for 40, 50 years, retire when I'm 70, you know, and then try to enjoy the golden years, right? And then I found Bitcoin, and it just kind of reinvigorated me. So I subscribed to Bitcoin Mag, the physical print, and it hadn't shown up in a while. And so I'm scrolling through their website, trying to find the customer service email, and I find the article submission link. And so, you know, light bulb goes on. I'm like, cool, idea, send it. You know, within a couple hours, they emailed me back. They're like, cool, man, where's your draft? And so I submitted it. Got it accepted, got into the Bitcoin chat with all the contributors, and it was just immediate welcoming. So I think it was either my second or third article. I actually got roasted by the editor, you know, hard rejection. Like, but I realized that the criticism was for the writing. It wasn't for me. And so I just kind of kept going. And so I just got kind of really brave in the last month. And so in the last month alone, I've gotten 2 paid writing gigs. One of them is from Mark Moss. So I write for Mark Moss's YouTube channel now, hired by the editor that roasted me on my second or third article, right? And so that's fun. I'm on BTC Sessions. After having Twitter for 72 hours, I responded to you, sent it out to the squad. Squad came out strong, right? And I just wanted to come up here and kind of tell everyone that proof of work is not just a consensus mechanism. It's kind of like a way of life. But Jordan Peterson, you know, kind of inspired me, where it's like, if you are unhappy with your job, don't just quit. Okay, that's high time preference thinking. We got to get low time preference. You can kind of build your own destiny through the Bitcoin decentralized permissionless community and build a better life for yourself. And that's the American dream. And now it's global. And that's why I'm bullish.